Homes are still selling. Hi, everyone, and welcome to Tampa Bayside Brief, your Florida real estate update, brought to you courtesy of Todd and Paula Diesel, licensed realtors with RE/MAX Bayside in Apollo Beach, Florida. I'm Todd Diesel, and it's my pleasure to discuss the latest numbers that are out from Stellar MLS. But first, let's take a look at what's happening around the country. Per the National Association of Realtors, existing home sales have lagged over the past 2 years, while new home sales have surged, highlighting a key dynamic. Buyer demand remains strong when inventory is available. So nationally, the existing home market continues to face a short supply of homes, despite a 20% uptick in inventory. Well, we don't have that case here in the Tampa Bay area. Nationally, they talk about a 4-month supply of inventory. Here in Tampa Bay, we're now experiencing 5.2 months of inventory, which is up 35% year on year. So here's some other stats from the Stellar MLS for April. Pending home sales down 8%. Listings sold down 6%. Days on market up 26%. And the average sales price of homes in this market down by 6%. And we're headed into the second year of slowdowns for existing home sales. Why, you ask? Well, let's just take a look around at all the new builds that are out here, especially southern Hillsborough and Manatee County, where they're still developing. That's giving us more sellers today than buyers. But the buyers are still here, but they're gravitating toward the new builds where builders are offering concessions. So you might ask, how does one compete in today's market if you're selling a home? Well, number one, price the home competitively, not what it was worth a couple of months or a year ago. Do the deferred maintenance that's needed. Pay attention to the water heater, the HVAC system, and the roof. Just because it works or doesn't leak no longer matters to the buyers. These need to be updated. Spruce up the curb appeal. And don't be upset with a low offer. Try to work with all buyer offers, as you may not see another one for several months. Now, you need to sell a home in this market. Be sure to use a certified full-service professional, someone that knows the market and can guide you through the sales process. The same holds true if you're a buyer. This is a great time to buy a home, and you probably will get it on sale due to the market conditions. And we'd love to help you reach your goals of home ownership. Until next time, this is Todd Diesel bidding you an enjoyable day on behalf of Paula and myself.